Hey everyone! Today we're checking out the TCL K33 5G Prepaid, a great budget-friendly phone with powerhouse features. Let's dive in. Segment 1. Display and Design. This phone brings you a 6.75-inch HD plus NXTVISION display, crisp colors and clarity that makes streaming and scrolling a joy. And it's slim and light, at just under 3 inches wide and 6 2/3 inches tall, weighing around 6.7 ounces. Stylish and easy to handle. Segment 2. Performance and Connectivity. Under the hood, the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 octa-core processor teams up with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. That's enough to run Android 15 smoothly and handle your apps, multitasking, and files. Plus, there's free microSD expansion up to 2 TB. Plenty of space for your photos, videos, and downloads. Oh, and yes, this one rocks 5G for faster downloads and streaming. Segment 3. Battery life and extras. Battery life won't hold you back. There's a massive 5010 mAh battery that keeps you going all day, even with heavy use. With TCL's Smart Manager and Battery Saver modes, you stay powered for talking, texting, and streaming with ease. For the camera enthusiasts, you get a 13-megapixel hybrid rear camera with a 2-megapixel depth lens, plus a 5-megapixel front camera, ideal for selfies and video calls. Security? You've got both face unlock and a fingerprint sensor. Segment 4. Activation, update, and price. Planning to activate it? Verizon makes it easy. Just pop in and set up your phone following their simple process. And good news, there's a software update rolling out on September 2nd, 2025, bringing the July 2025 Android security patch and performance improvements. Best part? The TCL K33 5G Prepaid starts at just $39.99 on Verizon, an incredible value for features this solid. To sum up, the TCL K33 5G Prepaid delivers a large, vibrant display, dependable performance, long battery life, solid camera options, and accessible pricing, making it a smart pick if you're on a budget. Hit like and subscribe for more tech picks and reviews. See you next time.